Hello YouTube. Right, thanks for watching. So I've just added a new set of tools for our prosperity marketing system team. So if you want to get started in prosperity marketing system, you'll see these among other tools that I've got in here. I keep adding tools. So these are full-blown Canva template sets. So you got set one, and you open it up and it's a template. This takes you over to Canva. Now, for those of you who don't know Canva is a free graphics editor. It's drag and drop. Most people have a free account anyway, so you can just use these templates, and they're completely editable. So they're Canva templates, and I've got a bunch of sets for you guys. So what you do is you just click the edit button, and it loads immediately into your Canva back office of Canva, and they're completely editable. The text is editable. You can just do whatever you like, text and some of the elements, the buttons, everything. So this is just one set that I've got for you guys. So you can use these. You can use them as splash pages. They're just, you can done them as graphics and then just use them as splash pages or graphics or banners or advertising on social media or whatever you want to do. So that's one template. So the next template set is this one. So these are kind of generic. So I'm using some of these for funnels or splash pages on my page for my recent funnel that I've created. So these are a number of templates. I won't go through. You can just click edit and use the templates. This is another set here. So you just basically just load them into Canva. They're all just templates and you can download them individually, or you can just download them and save them in your Canva. They just they completely load into your Canva. So all the text is editable. Some of these elements are editable as well, not all of them. So with Canva, you can just add stuff in there, elements in there. If you want to add stuff, it's up to you. So there's that, and then this is a live good one, but it's still editable. So if you want to change it and do something else for another company or something like that, so like these elements are editable. The text is editable, so you can just change the text. You got change the logo, stuff like that. Everything's pretty much editable, as you can see. So this is pretty cool. I mean, even the text and the elements and everything is completely editable. So you can just crush your goals, all the text, everything. So you can just remove that or keep it or whatever. So yeah, guys, if you want these, you just join Prosperity Marketing System and you'll be able to grab these templates. So all you have to do is to grab I'm going to be adding more Canva templates. I mean, there's got to be probably 30 or 40, maybe 50 template. I don't know. I'm not sure, but there are different sets here, and I'm going to be adding more into my Prosperity Marketing System. So if you're in my downline already in Prosperity Marketing System, you should be able to see this. But you need to be a student member. That means, it's $12 a month for the Prosperity Marketing System. So, but guys, if you're under me in something and you don't want to join Prosperity Marketing System, or maybe you're already in Prosperity Marketing System under someone else, but you want these templates and you're already under me in something paid, I mean, don't come to me and say, well, I'm under you in MLM Lead Pro. That's a free system. This is premium content, guys. So come to me if you're a pro member in Leads Leap, or if you're under me in Live Good, or if you're with me in Sparky AI, or if you're Savings Highway, you name it. If you're under me in a paid opportunity and you're upgraded, you can get access to this, and I'm going to be adding to this as well. So anyway, look forward to working with you guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you like the templates. But yeah, like I say, if you're under me already in Prosperity Marketing System, you can just simply go and grab. They should be in there. You'll see them under the training section, among all the other stuff that I've been putting in here, like share codes and all kinds of things. So anyway, welcome aboard, guys. Click on the link below and look forward to working with you in Prosperity Marketing System. Bye for now.